Before the beginning, there was no sky, no earth. Only the endless, silent chaos, like a great cosmic egg. But within the chaos, a consciousness stirred. Pangu, awakening to darkness, he forged an axe from his own being and with a single, mighty blow, shattered the void. He became the living pillar, separating the sky from the earth. For 18,000 years he grew. For every inch the heavens rose, his strength held true. A silent, solitary struggle against oblivion. The pillar of the cosmos, its duty done, at last gives way. His great collapse is not an end, but the ultimate beginning. His breath, the wind and clouds. His eyes, the sun and moon. His body became our world. His blood, the rivers. His bones, the mountains. Every star in the sky, every forest on the earth, is a piece of his sacrifice. He is gone, yet he is everywhere. The world itself is his eternal monument.